Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Perina Rahma. Here is the engagement for English Dialogue Discussion Session 5.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Sunda Restaurant. Can I have you?
Is there a table for one person?
Of course, 3 years. Let me bring it. What would you like to order, sir?
I would like to order French rice, chili sauce, French chicken, and orange juice.
Okay, I will repeat the order: French fries, chili sauce, chicken, and orange juice. Is there anything else, sir?
I would like two and crackers.
Okay, sir. The order will be delivered in 10 minutes. Please wait.
I would like to pay first. May I?
Of course, sir. We accept cash and debit payment.
I would like to pay in cash.
Okay, sir. All payment complete. Thank you.
That's all for me. Thank you.